Get excited about the 2015 Honda Accord. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 80,000 kilometers. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Honda prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, an outside temperature display, heated seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and power windows. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.